You're inside K-Dave's Community Show. Your issues, your topics, your community. Now.
Good morning. It's the 93.5 K-Dave Community Show. Happy belated Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope everybody's doing good. Like I said, this month of June, we're having a blowout called Get People in Homes. That's our challenge for this month. Get people in homes. We're challenging you to make better financial decisions. We're trying to get people out there to at least take a further step as far as getting from renting to owning a home, or at the least fixing or repairing your credit. So with due respect, I have on the phone is Andrew from ICC Lending, his Integrity Credit Corporation. What's going on, Andrew?
Mr. Travon, good morning to you. Good morning to the listeners. Thank you so much for bringing me on again and again. Thank you very much. I'm doing good. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy belated Father's Day.
Happy belated, man. We haven't had a chance to talk. I know things have been crazy. We've both been missing each other. How was your Father's Day, by the way?
My Father's Day was awesome. I spent the whole day with my 11-year-old daughter, my 10-month-old son, and had some family members over also. And I also actually got a chance to speak at a church out there in Riverside to the dads about, fixing their credit and becoming first-time home buyers. So my Father's Day was busy. It was fun. I had a blast, and I'm really grateful for that.
That's good to hear, man. Just matter of fact, how was the seminar since we're on that right now?
It was sort of like a church service. They had a church service, and then right after the church service, they had, a cookout. Everybody was sitting down, they ate, and then the pastor actually had me come up and just educate, the members about what it means to fix your credit for free and what it means or how to become a homeowner. I was blessed. They were blessed. We had a lot of people had questions about, their situations, and I explained everything to the detail. And we were just so blessed. There's just so much information when it comes to credit reports, becoming a homeowner, mortgage, and making financial decisions that are going to benefit you and your family. So we just bounced off. It was more of a question and answer session, and both every one of us were really, blessed during the process.
Man, it seemed like you're always working, even on your off day. But
it wasn't actually work.
You got
it came up, but I was. It was an opportunity, and I was really happy to be there to educate people, especially on Father's Day.
I'm glad you talked a little bit about that, because we definitely, like I said, in the month of June and maybe even going to July, because we're getting an overwhelming amount of calls, man. And it's just so good to know that people are changing their financial decisions and their financial it's called like financial literacy. They're becoming more educated with financial literacy, and we're trying to get people to at the least fix their credit, and that's what we want to focus on.
Travon, we have talked about this over and over, and based on my research, more than 50% of the people in this country have low FICOs or bad credit, and it's become an epidemic now where people are paying way too much interest rates or fees in order to borrow money or to get access to credit. And we're just doing our small little part, to educate people on how to make better decisions and fix their credit. And we're doing it for free. And
I don't really think people understand how important this is. Because when I talk to the people that give you a call and then you forward it to me just so they can hear a real life person who's gone through it and the guy from the radio, I don't really think they really understand how important this is. And I want to tell everybody, you really don't understand how important it is until you do it.
Yeah, I think one of the reasons why people don't follow through or they don't think it's really important is they get used to paying fees and they get used to their current situations. And they don't understand that it only takes effort with a couple months of consistent effort to get out of that jam that you think you're in, and it takes a lot of it takes education to make that move. So if you call or if you have called from the show in the past and you have not followed through, I really want to encourage you to take that initiative and follow through and stick with it, because Trevon, I always use you as an example because you were in that position where you thought you did not have any options, and today you are actually waiting for offers that you put in to get back to you so you can close out, your real estate purchase.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It seemed, impossible at first when we started, but it's possible. And the reason why it's always possible is because when it comes to credit reports, it's never too late to start. It's never too late to start.
And I'm glad you touched on that, because, like I said, man, I want to emphasize to the people that are non-believers or the people that are doubters. I'm saying, man, I had a low credit score. I'm going on record sharing my testimony with you guys. I had a low credit score. I wasn't able to get anything, and I paid off a couple bills. I made a couple phone calls and arrangements. I even challenged some things that were not mine, and I even challenged some things that were mine. And it just all came full circle where it benefited me. And now to this day, I have like 6 credit cards. I never thought I would have credit cards again. I never thought that I'd be in a situation where I could look for a home. I never thought that I'd be in a situation where I would make offers on a home at the age that I'm at, and just put my kids into a home and put my family into a home. I just never thought that would happen. And this is why I feel like it's important for me to get Andrew out there to help you guys, because there's people in better situations than I'm in, and that could be in a home and don't even understand because you have nobody. I mean, you are what you are around. If you hang around gangbangers, you'll be a gangbanger. If you hang around doctors, you'll be a doctor. It's just the way it is. Not a lot of minority individuals are homeowners, so you're not around other homeowners. So that's one of the problems that I definitely want to get out there, and I do my best from the K-Day Community Show and to bring people like Andrew on, is because we need to be around more rich people. We need to be around more successful people. We need to be around more people with 401k plans, and we need to be around more homeowners. And the first start of that is we need to be around people with good credit, and we can help each other with credit.
You can be far away from the truth. I mean, it is an epidemic, especially in our community, in the African American community, in the Hispanic community. We need to educate ourselves a whole lot more about the importance of having good credit. People are just so used to renting. If you are currently renting and you're paying $1,000 or more per month on your rent, you should look into getting pre-qualified for a mortgage loan, because the thing is, the pre-qualification process itself, it's free. You only pay for the credit report, which is $17 if you're individual, or $25 if you're a married couple. I mean, for $25 as a married couple, you will get a free analysis on where you currently stand in terms of credit and your finances. You can't beat that. You can't find that anywhere. And I have dedicated my company and my career to educating people on what is possible for them and their families. It's not just for them, for their families also. So, it's easy to just sit there and assume that, they're just trying to sell me something. Well, no, we are actually trying to make sure that, somebody gets the help that they need. They thought that they never are going to be able to achieve. We always want that, that glorious story where it's like, I never thought I could, and now I am. So that's my purpose, that's my mission, and that's why I keep coming back to your show. That's why I keep doing all the seminars. That's why I keep coaching and teaching, the community about the importance of having good credit. And we do all of this for free.
if you're just tuning in, we have Mr. Andrew in here from Integrity Credit Corporation, ICC Lending. You can find out all this information or more information or any questions you may have. Just check it out on the website, icclending.com. We always make it a point to give out all his phone numbers. If you ever have a problem, give him a call. Give him on his cell phone. Let's give out your cell numbers. I'm going to give out your cell number first. It's 949-232-9569. Or you can check him out. His toll-free number is 888-816-6407. For anybody who has any questions, if you've dealt with the real estate market, this information is very vital as far as who you're working with and background and information. His DRE number is 0178-7869, and his NMLS number is 204365. You can write those numbers down and just Google that and see. I mean, if anything, you're getting educated right now as far as making better financial decisions, and it's called, like, there's a new time in which it's called financial literacy. You must be educated about financial literacy in order to know how to make better financial decisions in your life and what you need to do with your money and the difference of principal and interest rates, because a lot of people to this day still don't understand the difference between that. The better your credit score is, and I'm going to let Andrew go into detail, the better your credit score is, your interest becomes lower, so in turn you pay less for larger items such as a car, such as a home, such as renting. I mean, just anything. And Andrew, I'm gonna let you, because you're the expert on this, I'm gonna let you go ahead and touch bases on that.
Well, thank you, Trevon. I mean, we when I first came on your show, my topic has always been about how to fix your credit for free. Don't pay anybody anything to help you fix your credit. You can do it yourself. And we show you how in less than 10 minutes. Literally, we'll show you how to do it in 10 minutes or less. And why do you want a better credit score? Well, simple. The higher your credit score, the lower the interest rate you pay when you have to borrow money to buy a home. When you're going to rent an apartment nowadays, they want to pull your credit and see that you have a good score. Nobody wants to rent their home to somebody who has a bad credit. If you have a bad credit, they will want you to put down more deposit. When you're trying to buy a car or finance a car, they pull your credit. If you're trying to buy furniture, they pull your credit. If you're a small business and you want to get a small business loan, they pull your credit. I mean, in a lot of cases nowadays, they check your credit before they offer you a job in some cases. Or in some cases, an insurance, they check your credit. So it's absolutely important to pay attention to your credit report. Pay attention to your credit scores. Well, you say, okay, well, my credit is bad already. I mean, well, start over. And start building, and that's something that we can show you how to do for free.
And Andrew, you always touch on the basis if somebody wants to file bankruptcy, then they need to actually speak to someone who's not saying an expert or someone who knows credit reports and stuff. They should give you a call as well, because a lot of people just say, I want to file bankruptcy, and it's not even really that serious. I would have thought of myself, I would have thought that I was close to filing bankruptcy, and now I have 0 creditors. So, I mean...
Yes. I mean, to touch on what you said, I filed bankruptcy in 2004.
Okay.
That was if I had somebody advise me then, I wouldn't have filed bankruptcy because I didn't owe that much. I filed bankruptcy and it took me 7 years to really get over it. What you don't know about bankruptcy, it hurts you in a lot of ways. Now, let me point this out. Bankruptcy is there for a reason. I'm not against bankruptcy. If you have to use it, if you make $10 an hour and you owe $500,000 or you owe $50,000, by all means, file bankruptcy because that's the best thing for you at that point. But if you only owe about $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 or $40,000, and you make good money, you make about $20,000 or $30,000 a year, do not file bankruptcy. Call us. Let us talk to you about how you can settle those debts, and get through rather than ruining your credit, which is going to hurt you on the long run. You know, there's just so much that can be talked about, but the main purpose of this show is help you get into a better credit situation so that you can become a homeowner.
Andrew,
pre-qualified to buy a house.
If you're just tuning in, we have Andrew from Integrity Credit Corporation. We're talking cleaning up your credit for free. We're talking about first-time home buyers. We're talking about foreclosures, bankruptcies. Anybody that needs any of this information, you can get a better look at www.icclending.com, or you can give them a call on the cell phone. We like to be friends of the show and just give you guys straight cell phones, and we do have business lines as well. It's 949-232-9569 is a cell. The business office is 888-816-6407. I had a couple emails that I received through the week, and I actually got some calls last Sunday morning as well. And it's just some things that I like to throw in the show so people know that they are real. And I definitely want to tell you thank you and shout the people out. And the first person I want to shout out, man, is Mr. Tyrone Williams. He had a question. He said, if he has a foreclosure 3 years ago, can he still be a first-time home buyer?
Absolutely, yes. Federal Housing Administration, which is a government body, they provide, they insure loans that allow people who have been in foreclosure, if you've been in a short sale or bankruptcy, and it has been over 3 years, you are eligible for a down payment assistance loan. Your down payment is only 0.5%. So if you're buying a house for $200,000, your down payment is only $1,000. Your monthly payment is about $1,300 to $1,500 a month.
Okay.
So if you've had a bankruptcy that is over 2 years, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you are eligible for an FHA loan. And again, your down payment is only 0.5%, and you only need a 580 FICO score to do that.
Okay, well, that answers Tyrone Williams' question. So some things I want to touch on is what do you think about foreclosures versus short sales? What's your views as far as what you should do about that, or opinions, and what angle the average homeowner should take if they have to go through a foreclosure, or should they go ahead and do a short sale?
I don't think anybody should ever allow the bank to take their home. That's the process of a foreclosure, or you call it a forbearance. A foreclosure is a process where you don't pay your bills, and the bank comes and they kick you out of the house, and they take over the home, and they decide to sell it themselves. If you cannot meet your financial obligation, your monthly mortgage payment, and you're sick of the home anyways and you want to leave, well, you should do what you call a short sale. A short sale is much more softer and better on your credit report than a foreclosure. A short sale also will, in most cases nowadays, Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, and some other banks, they will give you up to $30,000 to short sale your house. And what is a short sale? A short sale is basically you're selling your home for less than what you owe. So if you owe $100,000 and your house is only worth $50,000, you sell that house. Most of these banks, they will give you anywhere between $3,000 and $30,000 to move out, to get relocated. So it's always better to don't walk away from the house. Don't allow your house to get foreclosed on. Call us. We can help you negotiate with the bank to arrange a short sale that will help you avoid foreclosure.
So this is something people can contact you for as well, as far as if they're going through foreclosures. You could be like the mediator for them and the bank?
Yes, we definitely can do that. Remember, Integrity Credit Corporation, we are a mortgage company, a real estate company, and we also do insurance. The credit repair and the credit report services that we do, those are free. We don't charge anything for it. But the mortgage and the real estate, those are how we make and sustain our business. So we help people who are either trying to sell their house or people who are trying to buy a new house, a second home, an investment home, or somebody who is trying to get a refinance on a loan, or trying to get a loan on a new purchase. We can help any one of those individuals, but in terms of short sales or foreclosure, I always advise people, do not walk away from your home. Don't get foreclosed on. If you've received a notice of foreclosure, you need to call us right away so we can help you stop the bank from kicking you out and negotiating a term where it's favorable to you, because any which way you need to win, one way or the other.
If you're just tuning in, we have Andrew from Integrity Credit Corporation. You can receive all this information about foreclosures, short sales, repairing your credit for free, buying a house, first-time buyer home assistant programs. I mean, you can get all this stuff on this information. It's like taking a real estate 101 class when you get a chance to look at his website. It's www.icclending.com. You could give them a call on the business phone at 888-816-6407, or you can contact them on his cell and give them a little time to call you back, man. It's 949-232-9569. I just definitely want to emphasize it's somebody you need to talk to if you're going through a foreclosure, if you're trying to fix your credit, or if you're ahead of a house and you just say, you know what, it's June, and I need to start making better financial decisions as far as when my next income tax comes back. It's never too late, or it's never too early. Let's just start working on making better financial decisions. And I want to jump into another question from LaShonda Simmons. And as we're going this way, she says, if you have all collections, if she has 15, she says she has 17 collections to be exact. LaShonda Simmons from the beautiful city of Compton says she has 17 collections, and she says she sees no hope in paying off her collections, and she never thinks she'll have good credit. What do you recommend for Miss Simmons out of the beautiful city of Compton?
Well, collection, charge-offs, and judgments are things that really ruin, credit. Anytime you don't pay your bills, it sends into collections. And yourself, myself, we've had collections in the past. And what I did, which I also taught you, and what I think Ms. Simmons should do, is to negotiate those collections and pay, cents on the dollar, arrange a payment with those collectors. That's one immediate thing to do. So, for example, if she's owing $1,000 on an account, you call them and say, you know what, I want to settle. I want to pay this off and settle. And you always want to settle for 30% of the balance. If that's not an option, then you can always request for that collection agency to show you proof that you really owe that money. That's a longer process. And that's something that the Federal Trade Commission protects consumers, on. So you have to always have them prove that you owe the money. If they can't prove it, then they need to remove it from the credit report. If they can prove it, if you really know that it's yours, there's no point telling them to prove it because you know it's yours. So if it's really yours, you can settle. You don't have to pay full. It's going to show that you settled on your credit report, but it's also going to provide you relief and help your score go up. Now, Travon, I've always mentioned on your show about planting or obtaining new credit. You only need 3 to 5 new credit to help your scores go up. You don't need no more than 5 credit cards. You only need about 3 to 5. And I've always encouraged your listeners to go after secured credit cards. A secured credit card is a prepaid card that reports to your credit. You take your $200, you go to the bank and say, I need a secured credit card. They'll give you the card in the mail in about 45 days, and you spend only $50, and then make automatic payments every month. That is how a secured credit card works. So make sure that Ms. Simmons get some secured credit cards before you start settling the accounts. because it's always good to plant new seeds that will help your credit grow while you're trying to take care of all of those bad collections. That is the way to fix the credit. And don't give up. You can't give up. You can't give in because credit is very important in America. The minute you give in, that means you have decided you're going to pay more interest every day.
Andrew, you always have an overwhelming amount of information that you can educate our listeners on, man. And it's always good to bring you back because we never get to get it all out in one show. We only got a couple minutes left. Anything you want to say to our listeners that you might not had a chance to cover?
Well, I mean, the issue of credit, the issue of credit is so vast. What we want to do about this show is we're definitely trying to encourage people to stop renting and look into becoming homeowners. Try to get pre-qualified. It only takes about 20-30 minutes to get pre-qualified. Go onto my website, click on the Apply Now button, fill out an application. Takes about 15 minutes.
Give them the website, Andrew.
It's www.icclending.com, www.icclending.com. Fill out the application. You pay for your credit report, $17 for an individual, $25 for a couple, and you will get a copy of the credit report instantly. And then we can go over that credit report over the phone, one-on-one. You can always call me directly, or you can choose to come see me one-on-one at my office in Santa Ana. Make an appointment, come to the office. But the worst thing any listener is, anybody listening right now, the worst thing you can do is not taking action. Take action, because action breeds results. There is a way. Don't give up. There is a way. And I'm here to help. Again, my name is Andrew with Integrity Credit Corporation. My toll-free number is 888-816-6407. My cell phone number is 949-232-9569. And I will call you back. I always return all my calls from the show. I know it's early. If you're driving or you're just waking up, just know that this is some divine intervention. If you have a groups of 20 or 30, you want me to come to your church or to your school or to your job to come do a free question and answer presentation, I'm available. Give me a call. I would love to help as many people as possible.
Andrew, man, I just definitely want to tell you thank you again for checking in with us, man, and taking the time out just to make sure some of these listeners try to make these, like we said, be more educated as far as financial literacy. It's a great thing that you're doing, man. Definitely want to thank you, and I'm going to let you get out of here, man. Once again, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for waking up with us this morning.
Thank you so much, Trevon. I look forward to talking to you.
Thank you for listening to K-Day's Community Show, where it's your issues, your topics, and your community. For questions or more info on this or any of our other shows, please email us, kdaycommunity@gmail.com. 93.5 K-Day.